Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me Abdul Basith from Kerala. Welcome to my CBSE 10th Standard Arabic. So before we start the class, I want to remind you, if you want Arabic tuition class of 9th and 10th Standard Arabic, or if you want to get its notes, translation and grammar portions, just contact me in this number.
So today we are discussing the sample question paper. It's got from CBSE site. It's prepared for 2024 to 25 class 10. So first of all, as you all know, we get reading section. We have 4 sections. The first section is reading. In reading section, we will get unseen paragraph and some questions followed by that paragraph. Here we have 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs we have, and 5 types of questions for each. Okay, so it's optional. You have to write only one alif, either alif or ba or jim. That's what you have to write. So when you get this kind of options, you can read everything, and you have to understand which one is more simple. Okay, so you can have a look into this paragraph and the questions. Look at the questions, and all the questions are simple, very simple. If you just read the paragraph, you'll be able to carefully, you will able to answer the questions. Okay, so easily. So look at the questions. Shahad al arnabu at ta'usa al jamila al jamil. Okay, so it's given here at ta'usul jamil. Just select from it. Okay, وبذيله الذي يشبه. So here also alladhi is given. Okay, just write, just read and pick the correct answer. Adal arnaba lil ghabati ila al ghabati. It's given li al aba, right after ghaba. Anal and taus misluk. Look at this, it's given here, misluk. Okay, and sahih anna hadihi. Hadihi is given here. Okay, so like that you have to pick the answers. So all the answers are right in front of you. You have to just choose the correct answer, and then you have next paragraph, same as the first one. Here also coming the same questions, which you will have to read carefully and find the correct answer. Okay, but here I came to notice one question, that is ma liddu kalimatu ba'da. Okay, this one, fifth question. So that is not in the paragraph, that you should know. Liddu means opposite. So what is the opposite word of ba'da? Ba'da means after, so its opposite word is qabla, before. Okay, and then we get a question like this. Yeah, ma jam'u, fourth question. Look at the fourth question. Ma jam'u sadiq. Sadiq mean friend. So jam'u plural. So what is the plural of friend? Sadiq, that is asdiqa, friends. Okay, and also we can understand the grammatical one, like fi yawmi matarin kana yasirun. Okay, here look, don't write yasiran or yasirin. You have to write the second one itself, because kana yasirun, yasirun is the Noun of kana. So noun of kana, it's nominative case. So it should be given nominative case. Okay. So then here also kana baytuhu qariban. Okay, that's coming everything. Then look at the section B, writing skills. That is also coming for the 10 mark. So here also you have optional. Either you have to write a paragraph or you have to write a letter for 4 marks. So look at the topics given for the paragraph. Maidanul madrasa, madrasati, qariyati. Look at that. These all are the common, like madrasati, qariyati, or ailati. All are coming. Sometimes all are coming. Most probably they are asked. So you should learn about madrasa or school, paragraph about madrasa or your family. Okay, family, friends. Okay, everything may come, and or you have to write letter, write an application to the class teacher for 5 days leave. Okay, so you have to write an application. You already knew the form of writing the letter. So if you see that one symbol, you can choose that one. Better to write the paragraph. Okay, and make 2 sentences with any 2 of the following. 2 marks. لغة محطة القطار موظف كلية. لغة means language. محطة القطار railway station. موظف employee. كلية college. So when you make a sentence, you should consider that either you can make a verbal sentence or a nominal sentence. Verbal sentence starts with a verb. Nominal sentence starts with a noun. And also you can make sentences using kana, inna. Okay, everything is possible. So but it should be a complete sentence. Okay, like لغة 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 العربية جميلة. كان محطة القطار مزدحما. Okay, موظف كلية. Okay, like that you can make sentences as you wish. And then we have fill any 2 of the following blanks. Okay, هؤلاء dash. هؤلاء is used for plural. Okay, so you have to write a plural. Pick a plural one here. Which one is the plural? That is amilun. Amilat is not a plural. Okay, and akalam is plural, but it is not like people. Okay, haulai is used for people. So amilun is the correct answer. Okay, and then second question. Fallah. Fallahuna dash ila al-mazra'i. Fallahuna dhahabu. That is answer. You know, fallahun is male plural. Okay, male plural. So so you have to use dhahabu. Dhahaba is used for singular. Dhahabata female. Okay, so it cannot be the answer. Dhahabu is the answer. And whom yaktubuna. Whom is the answer. Why? Here, because it is yaktubuna is male plural. It's male plural. So whom should be used? Hiya is used for female. Hunna is used for plural, but it is not the it is not used for male. Okay. Katabati talibatu ad-darsa. This is the answer. Why not darsu? Darsu, like it's maf'ul. It should be accusative case. Talibat, fa'il already came. Then maf'ul should come. Here maf'ul should come. So darsa should be the maf'ul because maf'ul should be given accusative case. You cannot give darsu. It's nominative case. Darsi, it's genitive case. Okay. And then the fifth question. Correct any two of the following sentences. Nahnu halirun fil fasl. Here the mistake comes here. Halirun. You know halirun is singular. Nahnu is plural. So you have to write haliruna. Haliruna. You have to write haliruna. Because it is plural. Nahnu is plural. Yeah. If it is ana, you could have written halirun. Yeah. Then ra'aytul musafiruna. The mistake comes here. Ra'aytu fi'l madi lamir fa'il already came there. Then you have to say musafirina. Why? Why should you say musafirina? Because musafirina, when you say musafiruna, that is nominative case. Here it should be accusative case. It's jam'al. We have studied jam'al. Accusative case happens with the ya and nun. Okay. Nominative case waw and nun. Accusative case and genitive case happens with the ya and nun. So you have to say ra'aytul musafirina. Okay. So we have studied about jam'al. So we should apply what we studied here. Okay. And then at-talibatul mukhlisatu. It's wrong. Mukhlisat is wrong. You can say that mukhlisat. It's mukhlisat. Mukhlisat. Why? Talibat is female plural. Okay. So mukhlisat also should be female plural because it's sifat. Okay. Mukhlisat. Taliba mukhlisat. With alifanta. You have to add alifanta. Mukhlisat. يذهبنا إلى المدرسة. That's okay. And then the dal. كان المدرسين ماهران. Here look, مدرسين is muthanna, dual. Okay. We have studied the i'rab of musanna. I'rab of musanna is it gets nominative case with alif and nun, accusative and genitive case with ya and nun. So look here, kana, we have studied its function. Kana's ism will be nominative case. So nominative case is given with alif and nun. So you have to say mudarrisani. Mudarrisani. Okay. And also mahirani. That is also wrong. Okay, because it is accusative case. Accusative case should be with ya and nun. Okay. Accusative and genitive case with ya and nun. Then we have grammar and translation. First of all, we have to define and illustrate any one of the following with the example. So here look, jam'u mudhakkar salim, lamir muttasil munfasil, nawasib al-fi'li wal mudari', fi'l al-mudari'. So what you want to do, you have to write its definition. We have already explained the definition of jam'u lamir nawasib fi'l mudari in the previous lessons, or you might have studied from your class. So just write the definition. You can write it in English. You can write in English the definition of jam'u mudhakkar salim, any of them, and write one example also, like for jam'u mudhakkar salim. uh, Kana, yeah, take an example from this itself, like ra'aytul musafirina fil mahattati. Okay, you can write the same example. The ba, ra'aytul musafirina. Okay, so you can also, if you can write explain completely, like with the three examples. Here it is with the accusative case ra'aytul musafirina, and you can write examples with uh, like ya and nun, alif and nun, sorry, waw and nun, waw and nun. Okay, that's also possible. Okay, no, nawasibul fi lamir muttasil munfasil, attached and detached pronouns. Okay, nawasibul fi'l mudari, like the letters that gives uh, accusative case for fi'l mudari, and len, kai, idan. Okay, so you can bring with the examples. And number 7, choose the correct answer from the bracket. Okay, so this is in connection with adad and ma'dud. Okay, so we have studied the rule of adad and ma'dud 3 to 10. If the ma'dud is mudhakkar, adad should be muannas. That is the rule. If the ma'dud is muannas, the adad should be mudhakkar. If the ma'dud is mudhakkar, the adad should be muannas. Okay, look here. So in that way we have to write the examples. Fil maidani talibat, it's muannas, female, right? So adad should be, that is ma'dud. We have to look into the ma'dud first. Okay, so that is muannas. So adad should be khamsu. Okay, because sabat is muannas. So if the ma'dud is muannas, adad should be mudhakkar. So that is the answer. Then anhar, nahar, that is mudhakkar. You know, when alif and ta comes in a word, you should understand that is muannas. Here there is no sign of muannas, so we can make it mudhakkar, and the adad can be muannas. So samaniyat is the answer. Fil jaybi rubiyat, you know, rubiyat with alif and ta, so that is muannas. So if the ma'dud is muannas, adad should be mudhakkar, ashar, that is answer. Okay, ala shajarati awraq, and here sometimes we can't understand uh, whether one is jam'u or sorry, female or male. Looking to the plural sentence, so we have to take it singular. Awraq plural, its singular is waraqat. So hata, there is hata, so that's why it's muannas. So its answer should be arba. You know, waraqat is the singular and its plural is awraq, so that is female. That's why if the ma'dud is female, others should be male. And samak, asmak, that is mudhakkar, so we can use here asmak is mudhakkar, that's why we can use sittat, that is answer, female. Okay, then the 8th question, translate any five of the following into English. So this is also optional. So we can take the best one. Means the best answer we know. Okay, first one. يكتب الدارس الدرس. The learner, the student, writes the chapter. Okay. أين حقيبتك الجديدة? Where is your new bag? Okay. So the first one, what you want to understand, iktubu is present tense. So you don't write a wrote. The mistake some students are making, they are confused to understand which one is present, which one is past tense. So here, iktubu darisu ad-darsa. It's write. The learner writes. Don't write wrote. هذه مدرستي. This is my teacher, female teacher. من هم? Who are they? وصلت إلى المكتب. I reached to the office. نعم أنا طبيب. Yes, I'm a doctor. هن بنات مخلصات. They are sincere girls. كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? Okay, so I think you got 8 questions. You need to write only 5. Here also translate any 5 of the following into Arabic. Here also you have 8 options. You need to write only 5. He is my friend. Huwa Sadiqi. Very simple. Everything is given very simple. Hope it should be simple for you in the public exam also. Then number 2, how are you? كيف حالك? كيف حالك? Number 3, yes, this is red pen. نعم هذا قلم أحمر. You are an energetic student. أنت طالب نشيط. You are an energetic student. طالب نشيط. They went to the school. ذهبوا إلى المدرسة. You can also write هم ذهبوا. هم ذهبوا إلى المدرسة. That also can be written. Hamid is your teacher. Hamid هو معلمك. I wrote a story. كتبت قصة. I wrote. Here also you should be careful. Past and present. كتبت, I wrote, that is past. Don't write aktubu or yaktubu, the present one. No, we are workers. لا نحن عمال. Now we have a section D. In section C, we had 20 marks, and in this section, we have 40 marks. So it's very easy to score those 40 marks in this section because everything we studied from the textbook. This is a paragraph from the textbook we learned, and this is also, just translate any of them. You are getting 10 marks for translating, okay, the paragraph. So this is one and this is another one. Okay, so to score this mark, only the way is to learn the translation of all the chapters. Then the 11th question, read the passage. Okay, and this is reading the passage and answer the question. You have to like a section G. In the above paragraph, any four of the following questions. So you have totally 6 questions. You need to only write 4, and you're getting 2 marks for one question. Okay. So first of all, you should be able to understand the meaning of all the question words. Okay. So like ماذا, what, إلى أين, were, ماذا كانت, what was, liman, whom, liman, whom, كيف, how, أين, were. Okay. So uh, how to answer for this question? The method is ماذا أخذ نبيل. ماذا أخذ نبيل. So remove the question word ماذا, then أخذ نبيل, then the main answer. What is the main answer? You can see here. Okay. أخذ نبيل إجازة أسبوعين. That's all. That's answer. Okay. You can see it here. أخذ نبيل إجازة أسبوعين. And إلى أين ذهب نبيل في الصباح. So إلى أين is a question word. Remove this question word and start answering from ذهب نبيل في الصباح. Then إلى أين ذهب نبيل إلى محطة سكة الحديد في نيو دلهي. Okay, you have to write the answer short as possible, then you will get the full mark. If you write more answers like yeah, for example, for the first question you are writing like أخذ نبيل إجازة أسبوعين وذات يوم في الصباح ذهب. This one also, second sentence also you are writing, not needed that. You are losing the mark by writing that. Okay. And here also ماذا كانت is the question word. ماذا is the question word. So remove it. Then كانت مزدحمة بالناس. كانت which one was the answer? Sometimes you have to bring the main answer at the end, sometimes in the beginning. Okay, that you should do as per your convenience. لمن رأى نبيل كيف تحركت, like that. Now choose the correct answer. 12th question. لعل الامتحان قريب. So in this sentence, الامتحان is what? خبر لعل مرفوع, اسم لعل منصوب, فاعل مجرور. What is the answer? لعل is the sister of inna. Inna, كأن, لكن, ليت, لعل. These are the sisters, siblings. Okay. So لعل الامتحان. امتحان is اسم لعل منصوب. This is the answer. اسم لعل منصوب. خبر لعل is قريب. فاعل مجرور. It can never be the answer. And the second question, جئت مع المدرسين. In this sentence, مدرسين is جمع مذكر سالم. That is a جمع مذكر سالم, not جمع مؤنث سالم. Why? جمع مؤنث سالم ends with alif and ta. So you can understand that it is not جمع مؤنث سالم. So it's جمع مذكر سالم. جمع مذكر سالم في حالة الجر في حالة النصب. So you can understand that it is in حالة الجر, because when a word comes after ma, it should be majroor. That is a rule. Okay. And hum عاملون في المصنع. In this sentence, hum is ضمير متصل. lamir muannas, lamir munfasil. It's not muttasil because it is not attached. Okay, it's not lamir muannas. It's not lamir muannas. Why? Whom is used for male. Huwa, huma, whom. These three for male. So lamir munfasil is the answer. Okay. Lan yafuz al kasnan. In this sentence, lan adawatul jazm, adawatul nasb, adawatul jarr. It's adawatul nasb. We have studied an, len, kai, idan. These letters are giving nasb for um, fi'l mudari. Okay, and here 15 marks for explaining the lines. Okay, so this is also very important. I have made the videos in my YouTube channel before, all the explanation of all the chapters, so you can go and watch it. So you should study the explanation of all the lines. There is no other way, because we can't make it ourselves. Sitting in the exam hall, we should study it before, then only we can make it. So um, study the explanation of all the lessons, and only 4 lessons. Okay, we should learn everything because we can't predict which one is gonna come for the exam. Okay, and also central idea, we will get option. Okay, so we have to study at least 3 central ideas, because we are getting 2. We can study 3, we are getting 2, we can write only 1. Okay, so that's all about. Hope you understood. You can ask your doubts in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best.